Jersey. You wanna go? Jersey. Did you check Brandy? Did you wanna go to the garage and check Brandy? Did you find your bird friends outside? What do you wanna do? I can bring you to the garage if you want. You wanna just be there and stare out there? Looking and waiting for the birdies? The birdies will come soon, but you can't play with them. They'll run away if you go outside. Yeah, they will come by near you, but when you go there, they'll run away from you. They may be afraid. Be like, oh my gosh, it's Jersey. What are we gonna do? Let's run away. What do you think? You wanna go to the garage instead? You go to the garage and hang out with Brandy. Yeah? We could do that in a little bit. Wanna go now? We could go. Let's go check Brandy.